Learn how to split a specific paragraph into three columns in Microsoft Word without affecting the rest of your document. This simple tutorial shows how to apply columns formatting so selected text only, making your documents look clean and professional. So here how you can do that. I have an article over here and you can see that this is the one page article, and I want to convert this particular paragraph into three columns. So for this, you need to go out to the layout on the top ribbon and click on that. And under the page setup, you will see that columns. Click on that, and you need to click on the three. And here, within a one click, you can convert your specific paragraph into three columns. So another way is that go to the layout section and click on the columns and click on the more columns. And here you will see that 3 1 2 3, and here is the width and spacing. And if you uncheck that equal column width, you can adjust the width and spacing according to your need. For example, for the second column, I am increasing the width to 2 and spacing to zero point 0.3. And similarly, for the third column, I am increasing the width to 1.9, and you need to apply to the selected text. Click OK, and here it is. So you can customize the columns width as per your need. So I hope you understand how you can split specific paragraph into three columns in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.